Mano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, if you are looking for a wide selection of Filipino dishes dito sa may San Fernando, Pampanga, you may consider Rustica.
Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Rustica. Nasabi nga ni Mark, one of the famous restaurant sa Clark. And now, nandito po siya sa San Fernando, Pampanga. So we're gonna go inside. We're gonna check the food, the place, the area, and of course the vibe. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Go guys! Alright, so again guys, welcome to Rustica.
So to give you an idea, nagsimula po si Rustica sa Tarlac City.
Exactly.
And it is a all-Filipino restaurant.
It's a Filipino restaurant. Napakasikat niya actually sa Tarlac.
Yes.
Talagang dapat mong puntahan if you are visiting that place. And now, nandito po siya sa San Fernando, Pampanga.
On our table, syempre, hindi naman mawawala dyan yung mga kanilang mga food.
For the drinks, we have cucumber calamansi shake, mango shake, watermelon shake, avocado, and syempre yung favorite natin na buko
Okay.
shake.
Now for our main dishes, ayan, umpisan ko siguro dito. Ako medyo na-intriga ko dito. So ito yung sinigang na halo.
At the same time, yung interesting doon, meron siyang slog ng isda. Yes. For our appetizer naman, syempre meron tayo doon yung kanilang fresh lumpiang ubod.
Yes.
Ito yung kanilang crispy pata sisig.
Crispy pata sisig.
So syempre di rin mawawala dyan. Meron tayong baby back ribs and yung kanilang cheesy salmon.
Cheesy salmon.
So kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga dish natin, ang lalaki, ang dadami. I think this is good for around 2 to 3 packs. Good for families.
Per dish.
Yes.
And speaking of malaki, Mark, hindi lang yung dishes ang malaki. Malaki din ang kanilang mga drinks.
Take a look at this.
Malaki din ang mga drinks.
Ang lalaki. Okay, so before we get into the food, let's talk about the place naman siguro. What can you say about the place, particularly yung San Fernando branch natin?
I think yung place is mas pinalaki nila compared sa mga
Other branches?
And this is good for mga functions.
Yes.
So meron tayong around 3 areas na pwedeng pagdausan ng mga function or mga celebrations.
Yes.
No?
Ako naman, I think, na-incorporate nila dito yung art.
Yes.
So it's not just a restaurant. I think it's also an art studio. Para siyang ganun, no? Not necessarily for sale or something, but every portion or everywhere na makatingin yung mata mo is a different section with an art.
Okay, ikaw art, no? Para sa akin, para siyang museum. Yes.
Pero generally, ang team nila is a classic.
Parang ito yung mga bahay ng mga mayayaman ng unang panahon. Parang ganun. Okay.
So speaking of mayayaman,
manyaman na.
Manyaman ng mga din.
So we're gonna taste them, guys. Samahan niyo po kami. And again, welcome to Rustica. So that was the itlog ng isda.
Oo. Ang sarap pala.
I think para sa akin kakaiba doon yung kanyang texture. Mostly talagang syempre yung lasa ng sinigang, yun yung nangibabaw. Pero sa akin yung texture kakaiba siya. So parang yun nga, maliliit sila na itlog.
Pero ang sarap, no?
Sarap siya.
Only here in Rustica.
Rustica. Guys, to top it all off, yung kinain natin, napakasarap na dinner ngayon sa Rustica. Meron pong chocolate baterol.
yes, tingnan ka na lang.
So, to take note guys, this is all year round. So you can enjoy po yung kanilang chocolate baterol all throughout the year.
Yes, kung gusto naman bumisita dito sa may Rustica, they are located dito sa may Villa del Sol, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And they are open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
So guys, another place for you to check out. This is a very family-friendly place. And at the same time, if you're looking for an events place for your special gathering or an occasion, go check out Rustica dito po sa San Fernando. So there you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers!
Uy, ang laki na sa'yo.
Cheers!
Nice.